Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you this. Have you ever forgotten your Gmail password at the worst possible time? Don't worry, you're not alone, and today I'm going to walk you through the official and easiest way to reset it in 2025. Stick with me till the end because I'll share some quick tips that will make sure you never get locked out again. So let's jump right in. Step 1, start the recovery process. Open any web browser and type in g.co/recover. This is Google's official recovery page, so always start here. Once you're on the page, enter the Gmail address of the account you're trying to recover. Double check that you type it correctly, because even a small typo can delay the process. Then click Next to move forward. Step 2, verify your identity. Now, Google needs to make sure it's really you. On the recovery page, you'll see different verification options. If the first one shown doesn't work for you, click Try Another Way. This is super important, especially if you don't have access to your phone number linked with the account. One of the simplest recovery methods is using your recovery email. Google will send a 6-digit code to that address. Head over to your recovery email inbox and don't forget to check your spam or promotions folder too. It can sometimes land there. Once you've got the code, enter it back into the recovery page. If the code is correct, you'll be cleared to move on. Step 3, create a new password. After verification, Google will prompt you to create a brand new password. Here's the trick. Make it both secure and easy for you to remember. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Avoid reusing old passwords. If you struggle with remembering complex ones, a password manager can be a lifesaver. And of course, write it down or store it somewhere safe just in case. Bonus tip, always keep your recovery options updated, your phone number, and recovery email. That way, if this ever happens again, the reset process will be even faster. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Gmail password. So next time you forget your Gmail password, you'll know exactly what to do. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you want me to cover other Google tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.